Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, it is creating a pattern. As you can see, looking at this particular trend, a U pattern is formed. A level of first these two levels, a level of around 2.97 is already tested. Okay, so probability can be high that for the third time, if started testing, we can see it can break this particular level and can move further down. Okay, so probability can be high, it can move below a level of $3, and a probability is high, it can go towards 2.9. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can go further down, and yes, after that there is a probability of falling towards $2.7, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall can be seen towards $2.61. Okay, and this level is also being tested, so we can see the price can move further low and a probability of further down can be seen. But suppose if it started sustaining this level, it can go further upside towards a level of 3.34, and if that's sustained, we can see a further upside. 3.34 is a level. From there a bounce back we can see. But if the price sustaining over this level, probability of sustaining towards 3.6 we can see, then to a level of 3.84, and if that's sustained, a further upside can be seen towards 3.9, and then a further upside can be seen towards $4.2. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, and you can join that too. If you look at this trend, what we have seen, a U pattern is formed. Okay, and a level of around 3.6 level is there. Okay, and this particular pattern is supporting this trend, so chances can be high that if the price started sustaining this level, it can move towards a level of 3.8, then to a level of $4, and once started sustaining by $4, a further upside can be seen towards $4.3, then to a level of 4.5, and if the price move above that level, it can go above $4.9. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it can move further upside. Okay, but if it started falling below this level, it can go further down, and yes, from there it can move below a level of $2.26. So now if you look at this trend, there is a probability of further fall. Okay, and as we have seen, the dollar index is also moving down. See, if you look at the dollar index chart, it is also creating a particular pattern which is showing a downside. Okay, a clear U pattern is forming with a level of 99.4. See, 99.4 is a level. If the price comes close to this level, we can see a bounce back can come, or if it can go further upside. But probability as of now, we can see it can go further fall. But if it started falling below 97, we can see it can move below a level of 96.3, and then it can move towards a level of 95.6, then to a level of 95, and then further low we can see. But if it started sustaining this level, it can touch a level of 98.4, then to a level of 99, and if the price going above this level, probability of touching 99.4, then to a level of $100.8, and if that sustained, we can see a level of $102.1, and then a further upside can be seen. Coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see, if you look at the chart of natural gas, there is a continuous downside, and I have already explained you dollar index is always in reverse of it. That means if it dollar index rises, we see the natural gas price comes down, and vice versa. Okay, but sometimes they both moves in same direction. You have to understand that whenever you start a trade, put your SL so your capital will be safe, and once you in profit, try to trail it, because market is uncertain. Okay, it can make a sharp fall, it can make a sharp rise. Okay, because you have to understand, if your quantity is large and volatility is less, okay, and you see, suppose if the volatility comes a little more, then your quantity and your capital, if you have taken a leverage, your capital can be wiped out. So you have to understand that. Okay, now coming back again on the natural gas price, if the price started going below this level, it can move below a level of $3, which is already weak, so we can see the price can go further fall, and it can move below a level of 2.97, and a probability of further downfall we can see towards 2.9, and then there will be a zone breakout, so probability of further fall we can see towards $2.63, that is also being tested. So we can see the price can go for the fall, and yes, we can see it can touch a level of $2.44, and from there a further downfall can be seen towards $2.2. Okay, and if the price falling below 2.2, a further fall can be seen towards a level of around 2 point of 2.2. We can see a level of $2.10, and then a further fall can be seen because there will be a zone breakout, so further down can be. But if it started sustaining this level, we can see the price can rise above a level of 3.2. Then this pattern will support, as I have already explained you. This is the important resistance now. The price can rise above that level and it can move towards a level of 3.37, and if the price rising above 3.37, probability of touching above that particular level, we can see a level of 3.8. Suppose the price rises above that level, it can touch a level of $4, and if the price moving above $4, probability of touching 4.2 we can see. Then there will be a zone breakout, so probability of going above a level of 4.36, and then to a level of 4.55, and then a further upside can be seen. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,